Heat always travels toward cold. Cold attracts heat. That's what I'm trying to say here. If you have a cold drink, okay, it's absorbing heat. Heat is being absorbed into it the whole time it's out there until eventually it will become the same temperature as the air around it or the temperatures around it. The reason no matter what temperature a room is, it's always room temperature because everything that in that room is the same temperature. Because cold always attracts heat. Heat is equal in all things. Now you might say, well, my laptop gets hot. Well, that's because the electricity flowing through it, a lot of heat is dissipated through some of the heat sinks and things like that because things do get hot. And they blow air over them. They have fans on them. That way they can actually stay operating because if things get too hot, bad things start happening. So remember that cold attracts heat. Um, in the vehicle, the air inside the vehicle is warm on like a hot summer day. Like right now, it's actually the 1st of June. It's yeah, the 1st of June, um, and the interior of my Jeep is relatively hot. It was over 100 degrees in the inside of my Jeep when I got into it. Start the vehicle up, turn the AC on, and drive down the road a little bit. Let get some airflow across that condenser, and it got down to 43 degrees inside of my Jeep. All the heat that was in the vehicle is now moved to the outside of the vehicle. Well, I don't have air conditioning. How does that work whenever I don't have air conditioning? Well, you roll down the windows and all that airflow flows into the vehicle and actually pushes the heat out. You get actually cooler air. There are several ways you can cool a device, but we'll talk about that later. But just remember that cold attracts heat. If something's cold, it will be warm eventually. All right. Thanks. Have a great day.